Hi, I'm Tom Booth, coffee consultant and award-winning barista. This is the Delonghi Dedica traditional pump espresso machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect espresso. Espresso is used in all drinks using a traditional machine, from cappuccinos to lattes, americanos to mochas. So it really is the foundation for all coffee-based drinks. First thing we'll do is select our filter. We use a double filter today to make 2 single espressos. Plus the option of using a single or a special filter for the easy serving espresso pod. So we'll take our filter holder, place the filter on top and click into place. We'll insert the filter into the machine at a 45-degree angle and turn through to 90 degrees to fully lock in place. Now we're going to warm our filter and further warm our glasses by purging the machine. Remember, coffee's hot, so it's really important that everything coffee passes through and into is warmed before use. Now we'll remove our glasses and the filter holder and give it a good wipe to make sure it's fully dry. If you've already used your machine, there's coffee in here, you want to knock out all that coffee and then clean, make sure there's nothing left in. Any leftover coffee will result in a bitter brew, and a damp filter holder will make the coffee start to brew before you're ready. Now we're going to add 2 scoops of freshly ground coffee to our filter. It's important that your coffee is freshly ground, as coffee deteriorates at a much higher rate after it's been ground, as it has a much higher surface area. 1 scoop is 7 grams. You generally use 7 grams per single espresso. So for a double filter, we use 2 even scoops. 1 and 2. We have a very fine grind for espresso. The finest grind of all coffee. The next step we'll do is tamp our coffee. Using the other end of the scoop, gripping at the bottom, we gently level out our coffee in the filter and press down so it rests on top. Now we'll push down to hand tight, twist and lift away. It's important when you tamp that the tamp is level. An uneven tamp will result in the water passing through the coffee in the wrong direction. If too hard, the water won't be able to pass through the coffee. Too light, and the water will pass through too quickly, resulting again in an under-extracted coffee and a flavourless brew. It'll take time to perfect your tamp, so you don't expect to get the perfect espresso the first time you make one. Take our filter holder, wipe off any coffee grounds that are on top to keep our machine in pristine condition. Our glasses ready to go, empty of water. And as before, insert and twist. Press the button as soon as you've inserted the coffee. This ensures your coffee doesn't burn when it hits the outlet. We're looking for 22 to 26 seconds for a double shot, or 18 to 23 seconds for a single. As you can see, we have a nice slow pour, resulting in a thick crema forming on top of the coffee. Over time, experience and practice, you'll like to experiment with dose, grind size, tamp pressure and the water quantity coming through your machine. When finished pouring, you should have an espresso measures up to here in Delonghi espresso glasses. Let's sit back and enjoy your espresso. Take a note of the taste and maybe change the recipe slightly for the next one.